For our scoring, we need two different things, and we actually need forward references to both of them. So one is called score text, and the other one is score, and that's the actual number value of our score. And we're going to start off with 0 because we don't want to cheat. And now we're going to go ahead and create the score, and we want that to happen about the same time we start the game. We're going to put it down here in Start Game, and we'll actually put it inside of Go Away. So when the instructions go away and the title goes away, that's when we will show our score text. All right, this is the variable that we declared earlier up at the top. Score text equals display.newText, and we're going to start out with the default of score is 0, and we're setting it at 00 Helvetica and 22 points. And then we're setting the X value to center X, and the Y value is at display.screenOriginY, which is another way to say 0 plus 10. And if we want, we could just go ahead and cut that down to there. Let's run that. Make sure that part works. Yeah, awesome. All right, now what we need to do is make it so that we get points every time we kill one of those guys. So down here in Ship Smash, let's say score equals score plus, how many points do you want? You want 100 points, 50 points, 10 points? Let's say 28 points. 28 points every time you kill one of the guys. So score is score plus 28. So it just keeps adding on to that. And now, this is what's cool, score text.text. So the text part of this display object, we can actually change it on the fly. And so we're going to change it to score colon space and then a close quote, 2 dots, which means concatenate score. Cool thing with Lua is that when you're doing something like this and there's a string and a number, it'll automatically turn this into a string so that it can stick the two together. So let's try that. 28 points. Awesome. Unfortunately, we have no way to kill another guy because that's all we have. So let's spawn another enemy. Killed one. Let's tack another one on there. So every time we kill one, it's going to spawn another one. And that way, we can rack up the points. Okay, I'm having fun here. One of the things that we're going to need to do is reset that score value when we start the game again. So we'll actually do that right down in here where we are creating that score display object. And we'll do score equals 0. So if we end one game and start another game, it'll actually reset our score to 0.